Hello, thought I'd give you a bit of an update. I'm at Southampton Boat Show, but it doesn't actually exist yet because I'm just doing some work here. I thought I'd give you a daily update thingy-majigger. So I managed to get a job, high vis, very important. Get a job putting up a stand with somebody to earn a bit of money, stuff like that. So yeah, new video out tonight. Another sailing video I think you're still up to. The boat work videos, the next one's on Patreon I think. There's one more in the pipeline. I've got a bee near me. It's almost as bad as people. Yeah, it's pretty cool, you know. I don't know why I'm doing this video. I don't know. Just a quick update, isn't it? I'll tell you what I've done on my boat so far if you want. Drained all the osmosis out, all that's waiting. Took the rudder off, propeller shaft out, propeller off, found out why the propeller was broken. I'm trying to get the cockpit deck up, which means the engine may or may not have to come out. It comes out, spoiler alert. Stuff like that. But yeah, here I am. I'm actually coming to the actual Southampton Boat Show. I've got a press pass for the full 10 days, so I'm going to go and try and get some sponsorships and stuff to try and get me through winter, because everybody deserted me on Patreon, or a lot of people have anyway, and nobody's watching the videos. So people are free to do whatever they choose. It just means that I'll have to work more and do fewer videos. One of those things. This is life. If you thought that was always going to be on the green side, then you're naive. Yeah, looking forward to this being actual full of things.